From the beginning of the video, I do have a Upart wig from Unice hair company. This is their 24-inch body wave Upart unit. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has some combs here, one here, one in the back, and one on the other side. It is an opening right here, so this is where my row hair will be at. And it has these two things, I guess, just to keep it together, but I am gonna cut that off once I put the wig on. I went ahead yesterday and I washed my hair and I braided it down. Oh my god, I look crazy. Don't mind what my hair looks like right now, guys, but this is what my braid pattern looks like. My scalp is kind of dry right now, so I am going to go ahead with my Quadpay Naturals growth hair oil. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in my braids before I get started, because I think I'm going to wear this wig for a couple days. So I just want my hair to be nice and hydrated underneath. I love that it has like this little squeezy top, so I'm literally just like putting it in my scalp, in between my braids. There we go. Now we got some moisture. Y'all look like alfalfa. I look like alfalfa. I look crazy. But in a minute, I'm about to look cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in. Like I said, this is my braid pattern. This right here will be the leave out for my wig. The sides, I have it braided downward, because this is also gonna be my leave out. It does have these little clips, so I'm gonna clip it in right where I want it to be. This is like the easiest wig to do, to be honest. Like, it's the easiest wig to throw on. As long as you have your braid pattern down correctly, you'll be good. Look at how easy that was. Make sure the other side is on there nice and tight. Just like my lace wigs, it does have these two little straps in the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect those so the wig can like lay nice and tight on my head. Okay, now it feels nice and tight. This is pretty much what the wig looks like straight out the pack, guys. These are the waves that it came with. So pretty. Now that we have that on, I'm just gonna go ahead right in the middle and cut these two little bands off of here.
Lately my patience been getting real low. Lately I feel like I need more respect. It was the money for me.
Guys, it's literally giving me sewing, like, without the hassle of sitting for 2 to 3 hours and sewing hair in your head. This is literally giving me, like, I just installed a sew-in. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my braid out.
Olivia Pope, cause y'all keep putting me in all of these scandals. He wanna hear one more time, I ain't pretty. Don't need no closure, my diamonds got clarity. Telling his new bitch that he don't do Instagram. Really, he hate when he's scrolling, see pictures. Like a new show, all these niggas is into me. Funny how Bessie's turning into my end. I must be playing peekaboo, cause these hoes really can't see.
Walk it like I talk it. Niggas pocket watch it. I want that menage. I bought a franchise to double up the profit. Make a landslide, chopper get the poppin'. Elliot got me rocket. Throw a socket, chicken teriyaki. Take off rocket, keep them in pocket. Water gon' lock it, quadruple the profit.
I noticed that the last Upart video that I did, you guys seemed to really like it. So I'm like, let me try this again. I did enjoy the last Upart wig that I had. I believe it was from the Dula Hair Company. And when I had my tape-ins in, it kind of gave me the same look. So yeah, I'm like, let me try it again. Right now, I'm just trying to take this braid out on the side. I don't know why I did these braids so small, because literally I cannot get it out.
I get a rebound, they taking my spot. Walk it like I talk it. 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 Walk it like I talk it.
Now I'm going to take my 24-hour max hold wax stick, and I'm just going to add a little bit to my hair.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessings they are reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey.
Right now, this is what the hair looks like. I haven't done anything to it. Literally, I can put it behind my ears, and it gives like a natural sew-in. But we can't leave it like this. We can't leave it like this. I mean, we could. I don't know. Something is telling me to add some curls. So that's what I'm gonna do. Not like real curls, since it's already pretty wavy. I just want the top part to look a little bit better than this. So let's get it together.
Blessings upon me, and send me to tell them a story. That's what blessings upon me, and that's why I'm here to give him the job. I'm delighted. Jah knows I'm a passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the dust to the clocks. Gratitude is a must. Blessings all for my right. What's a toast for the friends, but they love to be load. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board them. Only sit the road and make one with the road. To us, to us. Going to rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, the dust to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall for my right hand. What's a toast for the friends, but they love to be load. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board them. Only sit the road.
So guys, once I'm done curling it, this is pretty much what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and run my fingers through it, just to loosen the curls a bit. The hair underneath, I did not curl it because it does already have like this wave to it that kind of like blends with the curls. So I didn't really have to do too much. I literally just curled like the top part of the hair so that my real hair can blend with it. Literally, it's giving sewing. I know I keep saying that, but it's really giving sewing. Like, I really like this. All right, guys. Y'all know me. I gotta go ahead and throw a couple layers in there. Alright guys, and that's literally it. It literally took me 15 minutes to do this, to put it on, to throw about 4 or 5 curls in there. And this is the look that I came up with. Let me know if you guys like this wig. All the details to this wig will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.